Hey folks, welcome back to my channel. I purchased this Christmas tree for $49. It don't look too bad. Still got to put the decorations on it. Stick around and I'll show you how to put it together. So here it is, the 6.5 foot Madison. It's the T31. Got it at Walmart. It has the multicolored lights on it. It was $49. Now let's dig into it and see what's in the box. And it's compacted in there really well. So I'll pull out this one here. And another one here. Have another one here. So we got 3 pieces of tree. It comes with some extra bulbs, and this must be the legs. Since this is all there is to it, I'm just going to keep the box for a while and store it in it after the season is over. But what I'm going to do now, I'm going to separate these legs. I'm going to put them inside there like that, all the way around it. Just like so. And when you put them in there, you got to make sure you smack them down to where they snap in place. There you go, just like that. Now I'm going to stand it up, and I'm going to take off the wrapping here. I also have this up here, it's tied together. Just pull and untie it. And this stuff should just fall down. At least that's what I'm thinking. Yeah. Well, pretty simple. It looks a little bare, but once you get all the garland and ornaments on it, the lights are already there, so we'll see what it looks like as we put it on together. Now with any tree, you're going to have to separate the limbs to make it look fuller. Now there's the bottom part of the tree. The next bigger piece will be your center section, and this one has the blue wrapped around it. We'll go ahead and remove that. I'm going to stick this in the top of here. Looks like so. Now what you need to do when you put it in there, locate your plug here and then find the plug, which is right here. It goes to the string of lights on the other side. That way you got these in the right position to plug them in, just like that. Now I'm going to go ahead and let all these down. All this stuff here should fall right down. And I'll go ahead and spread it out. See what it looks like. The second part is on. We got the tree starting to look pretty good. I'm going to put the top on. Make sure you find this plug right here before you put the last piece on, which is the top, so you'll be able to plug it in right where this one is located. Here's the last piece. I'm going to go ahead and install this, and I got to say that this tree is a whole lot lighter and a whole lot easier to deal with than the tree that I normally have. Find your plug, pop it in there, make sure you plug it in. Now I'm just going to start pulling these down and separating them like I did the bottom. Now I've noticed on this top one, you see how these here are hinged and they fall down? These here aren't hinged. You have to bend them down and bend them in place. I don't really care for that part of it because after a few years of bending these up and down, I'm afraid that they might break. Now when you get up here closer to the top, you're actually pulling individual pieces down. There's really no bar nut, you just got to pull it down to make it look good all the way to the top. Okay, there it is. Now once all the garland and all the ornaments are on it. It should look pretty well full. Now to go ahead and put the garland on it and the ornaments, and this tree will be complete. Like, comment, subscribe, share with friends. Thanks for watching.